Hello friends, I, Dhairya Bhatia, welcome you to my YouTube channel Maths DNA from origin to infinity. Before we go to the question, let me share one thing with you. If you are looking for all previous year set and net solutions for mathematics, then here is a good news for you. You can contact us directly at dnmaths@gmail.com or register at the link given below in the description to get the solutions of all previous year set and net solutions from any set or for any state. Now let us go to the question. What is the missing number in the following sequence of numbers? The sequence is as 84 upon 14,12, 81 upon 18,9 and 88 upon missing number, 11. This question was asked in the examination of Gujarat Slet 2018 paper 1, that is part A, reasoning and general aptitude. The options are A 13, B 14, C 15 and D 16. If you can find, pause the video over here and try it by yourself once. Now let us solve it. The given series or the sequence is as 84 upon 14, 81 upon 18,9 and 88 upon the missing number, 11. Here, if you observe carefully, you can find that is nothing but 14 divided by 2 into 7, that is 12 into 7, and that gives you 84. Similarly, x upon 2, 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 x upon 2 into 11. So here you get x upon 2 equals to 88 upon 11, and that is equals to 8, and which implies x equals to 8 into 2, and that is equals to 16. So the correct answer is option D, 16. Thank you, and you can be a member of our social club and watch 200 plus videos on our YouTube channel and get a complete study material on our Telegram channel.